So if a quadratic equation can be solved by factoring, that means we start with this. Okay, this is equal to 0. And we can then formulate this so it's something like this. Right? It can factor out to something like this. Okay, so just to show what b squared minus 4ac is, right? Let's expand this out. You get mnx squared, right, plus we'll get me plus dnx plus de. Right, so this is going to be our a, this is going to be our b, and this is going to be our c. Okay, so then the b squared minus 4ac in this case is going to be me plus dn squared minus 4 times mn and then de. Right, but notice that if I expand this out, I get me squared plus dn squared plus 2 medn. That's basically this term, right? So when I subtract 4 of this, right, you end up getting these values. Okay, and this becomes minus 2m medn, right? It doesn't matter which order we have these variables, but now we can actually factor this again, right? This is the same thing as me minus dn squared, right? So this term under the square root, right? Because when we use the formula of minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4c, right? This guarantees that whatever this is, it will be a perfect square. Okay, that's what this shows us. So that the square root of this will always give us an integer.